Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Our video today is about the PlayStation Remote not working. Let us look at some troubleshooting steps to solve this problem. Solution 1 is to check your remote play setup. For this, you need to go to Settings, then click on System. Now you have to select the power saving mode. Over there, you have to click on Features available in rest mode. Turn on Stay connected to the internet. Enabling turning on PS5 from network from this menu allows you to use the PlayStation app or remote play to turn on your PS5 console while it is in rest mode. Solution 2 is to enable remote play on your console. So for solution 2, we need to turn on the PS5 console or PS4 console and put it into rest mode. Launch PS Remote Play on your Android TV and then select Sign in to PSN. Sign in to the same account that you use for your console. Using a mobile device, scan the QR code on the Android TV and then sign in. Select PS5 or PS4. If multiple PS5 or PS4 consoles are found, select the console that you would like to use. From second time onwards, you will be able to select the console that you were connected previously. Now, let us look at solution number 3. That is, update your console to the latest system software. Now, for solution 3, you need to go to the settings, then click on system. Over here, select system software, and over there, in the system software update and setting, select the update available if it appears. Select update system software to update it. Make sure that you use the latest version of the software. Now, step number 4 is to activate PS console. For this, you need to go to the settings and then click on account management. Here, you have to select the active as your primary PS4. Select active or deactivate. If you have another PS4 console activated, deactivate your previous console to activate a new PS4. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.